Alright, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So curb and curb. So curb, to restrain something. He needs to curb his enthusiasm. Curb their excitement. Excitement. It is out of control. Yeah. Very good. Yeah. How did you curb their abilities? Yeah. Why did you let him curb your talents? Why did you let him curb your talents? Yeah, let your talents flourish. Yeah. They always curb their choices. No. Pick the choices. Go for them. Don't deny yourself the challenges and choices. Don't curb yourself in life. But curb the edge of the road where the cars drive along. So like this part here. Yeah, the curb of the road. Don't trip on the curb. So here's the road, here's the curb, here's the pavement. Yeah, there we are. And here's all the cars along there. Yeah. So the curb here. Here's the road, and here's the pavement as it goes up. These curbs are solid rock. Solid rock. The curb is high. These curbs are small, just a slight step. The curb is a small step. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, how do you think these curbs were made? It looks like these curbs were built a long time ago. Yeah. I think he always curbs his talents and denies himself things. Yeah. Don't curb yourself and let yourself flourish. How cool is that, language explorers? So curb and curb. So can you use them in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.